The Cancer Research Institute has since 1953 pioneered a new field of therapy for cancer which harnesses the power of the immune system to treat, control, and prevent cancer. When a patient receives a chemotherapy, you get a lot of negative side effects: hair loss, fatigue, nausea, vomiting. These are the sorts of things that can happen when you're just basically dumping a bunch of toxins into the body. Immunotherapies for cancer, on the other hand, are highly specific to cancer, so you don't get those negative side effects. So we think this is really going to change the way cancer patients experience cancer treatment. No, we haven't found the cure for cancer, and in fact at the Cancer Research Institute we don't think there is one cure. Cancer's many different types of diseases. The new realization that's dawning on oncologists that ultimately it may not be about curing cancer, it's more about controlling it and learning to live with it, like a chronic disease. So for instance, you have patients that have diabetes. They know that that can be managed with proper medical care. The same thing goes now for cancer, we think. As these cancer vaccines and other immunotherapies develop, it will become possible, we envision, for cancer patients to learn to live with their cancer. It will no longer hamper their quality of life. The therapies that they receive will not hamper their quality of life. Instead, they'll just receive vaccine booster shots, for instance, every few months or however long. We need to determine that still. Many more studies need to be done, but that's ultimately where we see the field going. I would say over the last decade, cancer researchers have made enormous progress in our understanding of what cancer is, how the body responds to it, and what we can do to get the two to work together so that we can use our own bodies to fight cancer. So yes, it's a very exciting time, and I think it's something that cancer patients should be very hopeful and optimistic about as this new class of therapy develops.